Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
To make any salad taste good, you need balance and intention. Aim for 5 basic tastes: salty, sweet, sour, bitter, and umami. Start by tasting your greens and imagining one clear dominant issue: too bland, too bitter, or too oily, and correct it. Add acid like 1 tablespoon lemon or 2 tablespoon vinegar to brighten the whole bowl and lift other flavors. Use a pinch of salt and a small amount of honey to balance bitterness. And always taste as you go to avoid overcorrecting. A great salad is as much about texture as flavor. Use a mix of crunchy, soft, and chewy textures for interest. Combine crisp romaine, tender spinach, and something chewy like roasted beets or cooked grains to create contrast. Trim and chill lettuce to crispness and use herbs within 24 hours for brightest flavor. Add toasted nuts or seeds for crunch and 1/4 cup for medium salad, and include 1 creamy element like avocado or cheese to round every bite. Homemade dressing transforms simple greens. Emulsify oil and acid with 1 tsp mustard or whisk vigorously for a stable dressing that clings to leaves. Begin with a ratio of 3 parts oil to 1 part acid, then taste and adjust salt, acid, or a touch of sweetener. Season in layers. Salt leaves, salt dressing, and finish with fresh cracked pepper and optional herbs. Toss gently to coat, rest for 5 minutes so flavors marry. Then taste and add small corrections before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.